Hello and welcome to Daily Positive Healing. I'm so glad you've chosen to dedicate this time to your inner world. Wherever you are, whatever you carry with you today, know that this is a safe space for you to simply be. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit in a chair or on a cushion, allowing your spine to be long and dignified, yet relaxed. Gently close your eyes and place your feet firmly on the floor, feeling rooted and supported. Take a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale through your mouth, let go of any tension you're holding in your shoulders, your jaw, your mind. Just release it all with a sigh. Today, we will gently explore a practice known as shadow work. This is a beautiful, courageous act of self-love, an invitation to welcome home all the parts of yourself that you may have learned to hide, judge, or reject. There is nothing to fear here, only understanding and integration. We will approach everything with mindful curiosity and a great deal of compassion. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, bring your awareness gently into your body. Simply notice what is here. Are there any sensations, any emotions present? If you feel any discomfort or tightness, simply observe it. You don't need to change it. Just breathe into it, holding it with a soft, non-judgmental awareness. Now, with the same gentle curiosity, bring to mind a quality, a thought, or a behavior that you tend to judge in yourself, something that perhaps makes you feel a little ashamed or embarrassed. It doesn't have to be a huge thing, just something you often wish wasn't there. Hold this quality in your heart for a moment. Acknowledge it. Say to it softly in your mind, I see you. As you breathe, imagine this quality as a shadow cast by your body, a natural, neutral part of you. Visualize this shadow on the ground before you. See it growing longer and deeper, stretching out in front of you. It is not a monster. It is simply a part of you that has been waiting for your attention. And now, with all the courage and compassion you can muster, imagine yourself taking a single step forward and stepping directly into this shadow. As you stand within it, allow yourself to fully embrace this part of you. Recognize that it is not good nor bad. It is simply a part of your human experience, shaped by your journey. It may have even tried to protect you in some way. From this place of deep acceptance, let's repeat these affirmations. Feel the truth of them resonate in every cell of your being. I fully accept and embrace all aspects of myself. I accept all aspects of myself, both light and shadow. I am whole and complete, just as I am. As you stand here, reflect for a moment. How has this part of you served you? How has it hindered you? Hold both answers with compassion, without judgment. Now take one more deep, loving breath here in the shadow, embracing this part of you fully. And when you are ready, imagine taking a gentle step forward out of the shadow and back into the light. As you do, watch as the shadow behind you softens, dissolves, and is integrated into the warm, loving light that surrounds you. It hasn't vanished. It has become a part of your wholeness. Standing bathed in this light, feeling more integrated and at peace, let's repeat our affirmations once more with even more conviction. I fully accept and embrace all aspects of myself. I accept all aspects of myself, both light and shadow. I am whole and complete just as I am. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the feeling of your body in the chair, rooted and present. Carry the sense of wholeness with you. Remember, this is a practice, a journey, not a destination. Be patient and endlessly compassionate with yourself. When you feel ready, you can slowly, gently begin to open your eyes, bringing this new sense of peace and acceptance back with you into the rest of your day. If this practice brought you peace, please support our community by liking this video, subscribing to Daily Positive Healing for your daily dose of wellness, and ringing the bell so you never miss a guided journey. Share your experience in the comments below. I love reading them. Thank you for healing with me.